War can happen suddenly, and when missiles, fighter jets, or drones are involved, civilians must know how to protect themselves. Staying calm and knowing the right steps can save lives. The first and most important rule is seek shelter immediately when you hear sirens, explosions, or aircraft flying unusually low. Move quickly to the safest place available. Underground shelters, basements, or reinforced buildings provide the best protection from blasts and flying debris. If you are inside a building without a basement, move to the lowest floor and stay away from windows and glass. Windows can shatter from shockwaves and cause serious injuries. Sit against an interior wall and cover your head and neck with your arms or a bag. When missiles or airstrikes occur, do not run outside to watch. Explosions often happen in waves, and a second strike may follow. Stay sheltered until authorities say it is safe. If you hear fighter jets or military aircraft overhead during a conflict, avoid open areas such as roads, fields, or rooftops. Move indoors immediately. Buildings provide better protection from shrapnel and debris. Drone attacks can sometimes be heard as a buzzing sound in the sky. If you hear this during a conflict zone, move into solid cover quickly. Stay inside buildings, away from doors and windows. Always prepare an emergency safety kit at home. This kit should include drinking water, basic food supplies, a flashlight, batteries, a first aid kit, important documents, and a charged phone or power bank. Communication is also very important. Listen to official government announcements, radio broadcasts, or emergency alerts. These messages will tell you when to evacuate, where shelters are located, and when it is safe to move. If evacuation is ordered, leave quickly but calmly. Follow official routes and avoid military areas or damaged buildings. Help children, elderly people, and injured individuals if possible. During any conflict, remember that panic can be as dangerous as the attack itself. Stay calm, stay informed, and stay protected. Knowing these safety steps can help protect you and your family during dangerous situations. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay prepared, and always look out for one another.